How to connect Roposo to your Odoo website. I'm going to tell you how to connect Roposo to your Odoo website. First, it's important to note that Roposo, as a content and commerce platform, doesn't have a direct plugin for Odoo out of the box. So the connection needs to happen through integration workarounds. Start by checking if your Roposo business account provides access to order data, product listings, or an API. If it does, you'll want to use Odoo's external API integration tools or a connector module. Head to your Odoo backend, go to Settings, enable Developer Mode, and create a new API key under your user settings. From there, your developer can use XML RPC or JSON RPC to fetch the sync data between the platforms. If Roposo only offers downloadable reports, you can manually import product or order data into Odoo using the import function in the sales or inventory modules. You can use third-party platforms like Zapier or Integromat to build a no-code bridge if API access is limited.